Look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what's in the box? Well, here's the thing. This box has a lot to unpack. It's a toolbox that makes sure you're ready for any challenge. A brain box that does the thinking for you. It's a black box that keeps you on course and in the know. But it's no boom box. This unit keeps it quiet and works in a whisper. It's the box that thinks outside the box and shatters expectations. That's right. This box ticks all the boxes. Because it's a magic box that has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. You never know what you're gonna get, but trust us, it'll be sweet. And of course, it's an electric box that will energize you. Atlas Copco's new PTE mobile compressor, the yellow box that's packed with surprises.